Hello children, nice to see you again. So children, open page number 2727 from the maths workbook. So children, here is the page number 2727 and top of the page what you are going to write? C.W. Okay, and here corner of the page you can write today's date. So children, please read instruction loudly after the teacher. So keep your pointer finger on the instruction and read loudly after the teacher. Color the bag which has more pictures of flowers on it. What is the instruction? Color the bag which has more pictures of flowers on it. Children, in last session, Shilpa madam already taught you what is the more and what is the less. It means more and less concept. Okay. So today we are going to do some work about that concept. So children, here you can see there are two bags. Okay. And on that bags there are so many flowers. Okay. So from this bag you have to check which bag has more flowers and you have to color that bag. Okay. So for that we have to count the flowers. Okay. So let's start with me. We will count the flowers first from this bag. Okay. So start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. On this bag, how many flowers are there? 13. Okay. Now, we will count on second bag's flower. Okay. So, start with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. On this bag there are 18 flowers. And on this bag there are 13 flowers. So, on this bag how many flowers are there? 13. Okay. And on this bag how many flowers are there? How many flowers are there, children? 18 or 19? Yes, 18. So, 18 is here. So, on this bag there are 13 flowers and on this bag there are 18 flowers. So, which bag has more flowers? This one or this one? Which bag has more flowers? Yes, this bag have more flowers. So, we have to color this bag. Okay. So, are you ready for the coloring? So, take any crayon, any color of crayon. If you have pink crayon, you can use that. If you have red, you can use that. I have yellow crayon here. So, I am going to color this bag with yellow crayon. Okay. So, color this bag. Color nicely. First, children, you have to color the bag only, not the flowers. Okay. So, color within the outline. Okay. Color it properly. If you like pink color, you can use pink color also. Yes. If you like yellow color, you can use yellow color also. Turn the page. So children, you can see this is page number 2828, and here top of the page you have to write h.w, and here corner of the page you can write today's date. Yes, this page is for the homework only. Okay. So read the instruction after the teacher. Keep your pointer finger on the instruction. Color the cloud which has more objects in it. Again, read after the teacher. Color the cloud which has more objects in it. Okay? Children, अगर आप sight word की practice कर रहे हो, then you can read the instruction easily. Okay? I hope parents, while this video, children is reading after the teacher. Okay? So children, you can see there are so many clouds in each box. Okay? And we have to color the cloud which has more object. मतलब जिस क्लाउड में ज्यादा पिक्चर्स है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन दिस क्लाउड देयर आर कप. सो कौन से क्लाउड में ज्यादा कप है, मोर इट मीन्स ज्यादा, कौन से क्लाउड में ज्यादा कप्स है, उस क्लाउड को हमें कलर करना है. ओके, फॉर दैट वी हैव टू डू काउंटिंग फर्स्ट. ओके, so start with me. Start from this cloud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. In this cloud there are 11 cups. Correct? Now we will count second cloud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. और इस क्लाउड में कितने कप्स है? 8 कप्स है. करेक्ट? सो विच क्लाउड हैज मोर कप्स? दिस क्लाउड और दिस क्लाउड? दिस क्लाउड? यस, वेरी गुड. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? यू हैव टू कलर दैट क्लाउड. ओके, तो आपको उस क्लाउड को क्या करना है? कलर करना है ऐसे. ओके, like this you can color the cloud. Okay, so like this you have to do homework from this page. Okay, from these two clouds you have to color the more objects cloud. So first you have to count this object. Which is this picture? Yes, umbrella. So count with me. 1, 2. In this cloud, how many umbrellas there? Only 2. We will count the second cloud. So start with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many umbrellas in this cloud? There are 6 umbrellas. Okay. So you are going to color this cloud or this cloud? Yes, you have to color this cloud. Okay children, did you understood how to do the homework? Very good. Now turn the page and open page number 2929. Sorry, open page number 3030. Okay. Now on this page, top of the page, what you are going to write? C.W. Correct? And here corner of the page, what you are going to write? Today's date. So first we will read the instruction. So repeat after the teacher. Keep your pointer finger on the instruction. Color the set with lesser object. What is the instruction? Color the set with lesser object. Abhi, what we have to do? So children, you can see there is one home and there are some oval shapes are there. And we have to count the each set of the object and color that set which has less object. अभी हमने पीछे की पिक्चर्स में किसको कलर किया? जिस क्लाउड में ज्यादा ऑब्जेक्ट्स थे, ज्यादा पिक्चर्स थे, मोर पिक्चर्स थे, करेक्ट, उसको हमने कलर किया. लेकिन अभी इस पेज पर हमें क्या करना है? विच सेट हैज लेस ऑब्जेक्ट वी हैव टू कलर दैट सेट. मतलब जिस सेट में कम ऑब्जेक्ट रहेंगे वहां पे हमें कलर करना है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू काउंट. सो यू कैन सी ऑन इन दिस शेप देयर आर sun's picture. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many suns are there? 11 suns. And here 1, 2, 3. So which set is less? This or this? There are 11 suns and there are 3 suns only. So which is less, 11 or 3? Yes, 3. Correct? So you have to color this set. You can use any color. Okay children? I am going to use yellow color. If you have red, pink or green color, you can use that color. Okay, so like this I color the less object. Now second one, you can see in this square there are leaves. Okay, so we have to count the leaves. So first from this oval shape we will count the leaves. Start with me. 1, 2, 3. आप क्या कर सकते हैं? आप टिक मार्क भी कर सकते हैं काउंटिंग के समय, जिससे आपको क्या पड़ेगा कि हाँ ये काउंट हो चुका है, वापस काउंट नहीं करना है. ओके, सो लाइक दैट यू कैन काउंट ऑल्सो. सो स्टार्ट विथ मी. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38 and 39. So here is 39 leaves and we will check from here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are only 6 leaves. So which oval shape is less object? Which oval shape have less object? This one. Correct? So you have to color this. If you have green color, you can use green color. I have yellow color only, so I am going to use yellow color. Okay. Okay. Now next. Wow, there are many balls. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 balls and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is 8 ball. So 8 is more or 7 is more? 8 is more and 7 is less. The 7 balls are less. So you have to color this set. Okay, so you can color this set. हमने इस सेट को कलर क्यों किया? क्योंकि ये लेस बॉल वाला सेट है. यहाँ पे इस शेप में लेस बॉल से 3 star. And next, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In this set there are 12 stars, and in this set there are only 3 stars. So which set is less? This one or this one? This one? No, this one. Correct? So you have to color this set. So you can use any color, huh? I have only yellow color with me right now. That's why I am using yellow crayon. Okay? If you want to give here red color, you can use red color. Okay? So like this you have to color. You have to color which set has less object. Less matlab kam. Okay? Now turn the page and open page number 3131. Okay children, this is page number 3131, and here top of the page you have to write H.W. Yes, this page is for the homework, and here corner of the page you can write today's date. Okay, so what is the instruction? Keep your pointer finger on the instruction and read loudly after the teacher. Color the picture of sky with less star. What is the instruction? Color the picture of sky with less stars. It means आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे 2 पिक्चर्स है क्लाउड्स की, और जिस क्लाउड्स में, जिस स्काई में हमें कम स्टार्स होंगे, लेस स्टार्स होंगे, उसको हमें कलर करना है. करेक्ट? तो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू काउंट द स्टार्स. ओके, so start with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So इस स्काई में कितने स्टार्स है? 7. एंड इसमें 1, 2, 3, 4. So which sky has less stars? Correct, this one. So you have to color this sky. Okay, now next. Keep your pointer finger on the instruction and read loudly after the teacher. Color the pond which has less fish. What is the instruction? Color the pond which has less fish. मतलब यहाँ पे 2 पॉन्ड्स है, और जिस पॉन्ड में कम फिश है, लेस फिश है, उस पॉन्ड को हमें कलर करना है. So first we have to count the fish. Okay, so start with me. 1, 2, यहाँ पे छोटे छोटे भी है ना, तो उसको भी काउंट करेंगे. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. यहाँ पे कितने फिश है? 11. और यहाँ पे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. इस पॉन्ड में कितने फिश है? 6. So 11 और 6 में which number is less? Number 6. So यहाँ पे 6 fish है. So यहाँ पे less fish है. तो इस पॉन्ड को हमें कलर करना है. Okay? So like this you can do the homework. Now next instruction is color the branch which has less leaves. अभी यहाँ पे 2 trees आपको दिखाई दे रहे हैं. उस ट्री में बहुत सारे ब्रांचेस है, और उस ब्रांचेस में बहुत सारे लीव्स है. ओके, सो आप लोग क्या करोगे? इन 2 ट्रीज में से लीव्स काउंट करोगे, और जिस ट्रीज के लीव्स लेस होंगे, कम होंगे, उस ट्री को क्या करोगे? कलर करोगे. करेक्ट? नाउ नेक्स्ट इंस्ट्रक्शन इज color the train with less bogies. क्या है इंस्ट्रक्शन? color the train with less bogies. मतलब you can see there is 2 trains. There are 2 trains. trains. Correct? Now you have to you have to count each train's bogie and check that which train has less bogies. मतलब इन दो ट्रेन में से कौन सी ट्रेन को बोगीज कम है, डिब्बे कम है कौन सी ट्रेन को, वो चेक करेंगे और जिस ट्रेन के बोगीज, जिस ट्रेन के डिब्बे कम होंगे उस ट्रेन को आप क्या करोगे, कलर करोगे. करेक्ट? सो चिल्ड्रन, डिड यू अंडरस्टूड द होमवर्क? वेरी गुड. नाउ डू द होमवर्क प्रॉपरली and I hope you all understood what is more and what is less. Okay? So children, do homework properly. Okay? So see you soon. Bye bye.